a women with a career break, 2 years, 3 years, even 1 year, or even more, 5 years, 10 years, the most critical factor, the blockage, is in their own mind. They'll be very confident in handling the kid. They'll be very confident in handling the family. But suddenly when they want to restart, their mind tricks them that it's not your cup of tea now. What I do at present is help women on career breaks return back to work.
Right.
Now, most of the times, the women who come for our coaching programs or for our programs are those who already have had 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, up to 15 years of career break as well. So I do not get a chance to address those women who are planning for a career break.
Right.
So with your question I made, I will try to at least address that crowd. So see, career breaks are usually taken, at least by Indian women, for marriage, maternity, other family commitments, sometimes elderly care, sometimes due to their own health recovery. Multiple reasons could come. Sometimes the incidence is taking breaks due to sabbatical, just taking a break just to focus on their personal growth is also that is also coming up. Now, when you plan for a career break, especially when women plan for a career break, if they can plan it in advance, right? The corporates today have policies for maternity leaves. They have most of them would have policies for different kind of support systems to women when they are planning for maternity leaves or even for their marriages, relocation and everything.
Yeah.
Most of the women, when they take these breaks, they are a little, what should I say, carefree. Which means because of these strong policies that the corporates, portray or project, they would not make any special efforts. The women would not make any special efforts to plan for their return after the career break while they are taking career break, which is okay. Which is okay if they are completely immersed in that particular life journey or personal journey, whether it is marriage, maternity or anything else, right? But what happens during this break is their entire environment shifts, right? Their entire focus shifts. So sometimes they're completely immersed in family. Sometimes they're completely immersed in raising up their kids, right? And what happens is human brain is tricky. It has a short-term memory of the past. It tricks us to believe that we are good enough only for things that we have been doing in the recent past.
Correct, absolutely.
So a women with a career break, 2 years, 3 years, even 1 year, or even more, 5 years, 10 years, when they plan to return back, which is mostly when their kid would be at an age when they can leave him or her to the daycare or something is sorted, things have got stabilized. The most critical factor, the blockage, is in their own mind. Because the same women, if you would have talked to her 3 years back, high level of self-confidence because of high performance, high recognition, right? High level of self-belief, self-reliance.
Correct.
But suddenly that goes down without their fault. Because their mind has been conditioned for a particular task that they were immersed in. Right? They'll be very confident in handling the kid. They'll be very confident in handling the family. But suddenly when they want to restart, their mind tricks them that it's not your cup of tea now. So when their mind tricks them this way, they suddenly start seeing all the negativities.
Right.
For example, lack of corporate support, no salary raise, rejoining at a salary cut, right? All of these things start messing up with their mind. A better way, the best way to plan for this is you plan before your career break, which means your career break is there, you plan it that way. During your career break, there is leave, but immediately after your career break, you plan things accordingly so that you can rejoin, right? And during your break, when you have some time for yourself, you keep reskilling.
Correct.
Right?